What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to Big Beach. You got me, the host, and camera girl. Show me yourself. It's currently 1:49, and we are. Show them where we are. Flip the camera.
I can't flip the camera.
Just go like that. Yes. Yes. Right there. That's where we are.
One day they will return and sing this song. They took the land, they took aloha, we took the queen, no they didn't know her. Supersti Kaika, and they kupuna, Roki Ohana. What they call it, they kumana.
Guys, want to get a good surf session here?
Session? What?
Show in the water. I'll be right back. What's up, everybody? Just got out the water. Over here mopping with no fork. What you eating?
Noodles.
Brown?
Something.
Yep. It's a beautiful day today.
Don't look to your right before I punch your face.
Okay. Explain to them what's to my right.
Bitches.
Bitches. What up, everybody? We're back. We're at where are we?
The Fairmont.
At the Fairmont, at the beach next to it.
Why are you showing that lady that? It's me.
No, lady she's talking about.
Shut the fuck up. I know you see her. She's a big fucking whale right there.
Who are we here with?
Me.
Who's me?
Me.
And then we're gonna hit a nice little fishing sesh. Stay here for 30 minutes, cruise a little bit.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
What's up, everybody? We're over here watching the SpongeBob movie. Everybody sleep tight. Good night.